Hello guys, and welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we're going to be making a part 2 of our Triangle Kimbap video because we did notice that the first video has been uptrending, so we wanted to bring you guys a newer version of Triangle Kimbap. So the first one we're going to be making is a Korean barbecue Triangle Kimbap, and we're going to be using chadol, which is like super thinly sliced beef brisket, and also we're going to be doing a nuclear noodle 불닭 Triangle Kimbap. I have no idea how it's going to taste. Oh! All I know it's carb on carb, so let's go check out these ingredients. First up, let's start off by cooking our beef brisket. On high heat, I'm gonna add my meat on. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna slice up some garlic. In Korean barbecue, you can never forget the garlic. Of all the Korean barbecue meats, I love chadol the best. Not only because it cooks the fastest and I have like a super short temper where I'm just like, I just need to eat and be done with it. But it also tastes the best because it's so soft. The texture of it is phenomenal. I think it's the best. I know Grace really likes pork belly. To me, it's a little fatty, but this is quick and it's tasty and it's soft and it's just all the best. We're gonna make Ssamjang pap. So let's get 2 tablespoons of some Ssamjang. And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. And give this a mix. Ssamjang is the best. I love Ssamjang. I freaking love this with K-barbecue. Let us get our Triangle Kimbap Kim ready along with the mold and the stickers. So remember to have the ones with the writing side down. So you should have a blank sheet of seaweed here. And we'll add the rice first. So place the mold closer to the top. Add in our cheddar. As many as you guys would like. How many should we add, Grace? 2? 3? Oh, okay. Too much? No, we can do it. We can make it work. 3, and I'll add some garlic in there. And our green chili, Grace's favorite. Salivating, I know. Add more rice on top. And then we will press this down. As we press down, we will pull the mold up. It is a really fat triangle kimbap. Oh, thank you, assistants. And there we have it. This looks so good, but we're gonna move on to our 불닭 Triangle Kimbap. And for this, let's start off with the rice first. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. And mix. I'm not gonna add taste salt to this because I feel like the 불닭, the nuclear noodles already have enough salt in it. So I accidentally got the 2 times spicier nuclear noodles. I can't even handle the spice level on the regular. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this, but thankfully we have the rice. For now, do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is related to what we're cooking right now, and it's 불, which means fire. So this is 불닭볶음면, which means it's like as I can't fire chicken. It's like spicy ass fire. That's why they called it fryer chicken stir-fried noodles. That's literally what it translates to. So in a sentence, I like to give you guys these sentences and scenarios. So for instance, emergency happens, there's a fire. So you go, 불나요! Which means, there's a fire, come help me. Yeah, next time you're in Korea, you can just say, 불나요? Which means, hey, there's a fire going on here, so you know, come help me. What other scenario?
It kind of refers to like cooking to 불맛.
불맛, like fire, that charred. People in Korea, when they eat Korean Chinese food, they like the 불맛 in it. Cause like Chinese cooking is like a fire like this big and you have a wok this big and you're cooking and they just say it tastes so much better because you can actually taste the fire in the food, which I totally understand.
음식에 불맛 난다.
Which means, oh, in the food I taste the fire or like the smokiness of it. So yes, today's word of the day was 불. Water is boiling. Let's drain this and mix the sauce in. This is gonna be freaking spicy. Myself with some lemonade. Didn't make the blue tea, butterfly pea tea, but so good. Please check out our lemonade video. All right, let's start off with the Korean barbecue one. Have one too, Grace. Good.
Really good.
That's really good.
Ssamjang, really good touch.
When you want a picnic, it's almost impossible to bring out a grill. Well, unless you go camping or something, but you do this and you get everything in one bite. I think it's perfect. This or tuna?
Oh, that's hard. They're different.
I like the gochujang one last time.
The beef?
Mm-hmm.
That one was good.
That one was really good. There's something in this lemonade, it's just so good. Oh my god, it feels so good. Woo, my eyes. We're gonna try this next, but depending on how spicy it is, do you wanna do a rock, paper, scissors? Someone has to try this.
Okay.
Okay. But this is, hey, this is 2 times. It's good. It's just so unbelievably spicy.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Okay. We're just gonna act crazy this one time and do a kaibaibo. Do you need some lemonade? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No! This is heck.
Yeah, you should eat that.
What's wrong with you?
I used to buy like a 5.
Oh
I'll make one for Kevin, one for me, and then Kevin couldn't get out of the bathroom for days.
my god. It's kicking me in the throat. This?
Okay, no.
This is a good amount.
Fine.
What do you mean fine?
It's okay, it's not that bad. At least you don't do the whole thing with the fire challenge. Fire noodle challenge.
I like slowly kicking in. Oh! Oh! It's so spicy!
Seriously? Okay, now I want to eat it because.
Stop moving the camera. Oh my god. Can I have the rice too?
걸쳤어. Wow. It feels spicier than normal.
Your face is getting red. Oh my god, Grace, you're getting red, and your eyes are getting watery. Okay, can I have water? Okay, so we're gonna have to call it a day because I have to go calm my tongue somehow. It's so spicy.
Call your tongue.
Calm. So guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and try it out.